In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to sign into your Facebook account and open the app on your device. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the Marketplace section. And in here, go ahead and click on the search icon which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. This will allow you to search on your Facebook Marketplace. This is also where you can find your saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. So just go ahead and click on that and head over to the Save Searches section. Click on the Save Searches button which you'll find beside the recent. Click on that search and click on that bookmark icon which you'll find beside the Filters button to be able to unsave this search from your Save Searches. Click on the Unsave button and that is how you can simply unsave a search on Facebook Marketplace.